morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our, you remember this smartwatch? We have the D30 Y78 smartwatch, okay? And this time we are going to check on the watch faces available for the wearable, okay? So let's connect it. Okay, remember we already installed the FitPro support app. So let's try and of course reconnect it again. Pair it with the FitPro app and check whether we do have some available watch faces, okay, free to download for our D30 smartwatch. Okay, so this is the D30 Y78 smartwatch. We have the black color here. Okay, so the FitPro is now loading. Let's wait for it. When it has now loaded, let's see if we can pair it with our smartwatch. So it is disconnected. We tap it on, tap it again. Okay, the Bluetooth is automatically activated. You have here the smartwatch, the i7 here. Okay, so tap on it. Okay, it's now trying to reconnect. Okay, let's wait. Completed. Okay, we are now in the FitPro app ecosystem. So here on the bottom part we have home, set, motion, and mine. For motion we have the sports tracking. For the set we have all the settings for your wearable. Okay, so let's proceed or go with the dial settings here. As you can see, tap on the dial settings. Let's wait. Okay, we have the default here. Okay, so that is our default support app or default watch face. Go to the recommend watch faces. So we have here Christmas themed watch faces, and of course other digital watch faces. We have an analog watch face. Okay, let's check. And also, do we have a custom watch face? Okay, we receive some notifications, so let's check. Okay, let's explore more. Seems like we do have a lot of watch faces here. And in the bottom part, let's see, maybe this is the custom watch face. If we do have, okay, so we seems like we do have a custom watch face. But before that, let's go first with our watch faces here. Let's download one. Well, let's pick a much better graphics here. We have astronaut again, watch face. Okay, let's go for this one. Let's see if it's clear. Okay, tap on it. So change dial. Okay, so we have some notifications here, as you can see. Okay, change dial. Okay, so seems like every watch face here is a custom watch face. You can change it, you can set. Yeah, again, let's pick another one. Let's see, can we change the background? Yes, seems like each watch face here can be changed the background. So these are all changeable, the background. Okay, how about this one? Yes. Okay, so it is not just the bottom watch face that can be changed. All of this, you can change the background. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, let's try it first. Synchronize dial. And let's see, it is now upgrading or uploading, and automatically our smartwatch here switch to downloading the watch face. So we have here progress bar, so you can see it. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, it's now going for 80, 84, 87. Okay, so the smartwatch restarted and we have the watch face here. Okay, so very easy, very fast so far. Okay, all of the watch face here are in or on digital format. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, let's explore more. Do we have the default? Okay, you can turn back to the default watch face if you want. Okay, we have at least several watch faces here, but we don't have any analog type watch faces. Okay, for example, this one, let's change. Okay, so you can change the dial here, but you cannot change. You can change the location of the time and the date, but you cannot change the font color and the font style here. Okay, let's change the watch face here with our custom watch face. Okay, so let's go for this one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we have to crop it, change the location of the time, and synchronize dial. Okay, let's see. So it is now downloading. Okay, so far again there is no analog type watch face here, it's all digital. Okay, did not work. Did it work? Okay, again did not work, our custom watch face. Okay, okay, error code again. Let's try. We'll see in just a few minutes. We're going to have a successful custom watch face here or not. Let's see. Okay, it takes time to download compared to the available watch face here in the support app. Okay, let's see. It's almost okay. Okay, so we have a successful custom watch face here. So far it works. Okay, so aside from available watch faces here, okay, there's no animated watch face, by the way. We have our own watch face here, custom watch face. Okay, so very simple setup. Okay, again, you only watch face is available for your D30. Okay, it can only download one watch face, so there's no other options here. If you want to change the watch face again, just go to your support app and upload or download the watch face to your smartwatch. Okay, so other functions here, so these are notifications. Okay, anti-loss here, alarm, also have alarm, and race to wake, also have it here. Okay, so far that's it. Very simple, very easy to use UI and other functionalities for your D30 Y78 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.